Let's see how to use Sharely to display all of your content at one place and connecting all of your audience at one place. If you are new to Sharely, just sign up, and I am going to log in because I already have an account. I am just logging in, and I'm just using my username and password. So just sign up. Once you have come here in the top, we can go from the top to the bottom. You can see total views 350. My universal link got totally 350 views. You will see just 0, and you will see that your universal link with message with your email and other contents. So you can change that by going to your profile and just changing your username, modify universal link. I am just changing my universal link, my username to SSK16, and I am going to save changes. If your username is available, you will get a success message, else you will get an error message. So this is your universal link now, but I don't want this universal link. I need only SSK because SSK is harder than SSK16, right? Okay, I am saving as SSK, and just if you come down, you can see that links for your profiles like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, and also we are providing one custom domain website, and this is my website's link box. So you can paste any links and just update social, and your changes will be saved, and your audience can directly reach your social without searching in social networks. Okay, and you can change your passwords, and let's go into the home page and see what's below there. If you come here, you will see a drop down. If you have saved links, else you will see a button like save new link. Just click on save new links, and that's it. I will redirect to save new content page. I'm just adding my just paste your content, and if you want to give any title, you can give title. I'm not going to give any title because Sharely will use meta description, title and images and content type for saving this link, so I'm not going to give anything, but I am going to choose a category with new category. Okay, yes, I am just creating a new category by typing in this drop down. I don't have, so it's source create new category, and you can choose the visibility for public, for sharing with your audience, for private. You can use it for your own purpose. I'm just saving this public, and save your new content. It will redirect you to again home page. Now you can see that new category in your drop down. Just you can see that our link have saved, and also it have come some custom title and description we don't have provided. If you want to change it, you can just click on that edit button, and you can change the title and description. Okay, and I am not going to change it. I am just coming back. Okay, just if you want to share this particular content, and you also need some views for the clicking particular contents, you can use our Sharely shorter link feature. So if you come here, you can see that our shorted URL and our original URL, your original URL and our shorted URL. So if you click this one, you will get an analytics called totally 0 clicks on shorted URL. The result will be delayed 24 hours. Okay, just copy it and share with anyone you want to share. That's all. And you can also share this category with a particular audience. Particular category with particular audience. Just you can see that your universal link has changed. This is my username and this is my category, and if you hover that, it will show you that universal link for current category. Okay, just copy it and share it with anyone. Else you want to share all of your content, just go to common and you will get your universal link. Just copy it, and I am going to copy this one and opening in new tab. Okay, just loading. And if you come here, these are my saved content as publicly. If you see that my name SSK is printed, and we are adding our profile picture features very soon. So if you click that, you can see that my profile links, and user can follow me, and they can give feedback to us, not to you. And this is my title, and this is my description. Okay, so you can see that our saved category, and it will show us Shally. And also you can share the particular category with your particular audience. For example, if you can copy this link and just paste it somewhere in the, just copy this link and paste in your new tab, or click the link, and you will be redirected to the particular category. So we are redirected to new category. So we can change the category by changing the, so I am having a category called 1 and category called 0. Just if you click that, you will be directly redirected to your category 0, and your audience can also view the other categories links also if they want to view. We are enabling future to hide those things in our upcoming features. Okay, and thank you. Happy sharing with the Shally. If you want to give us any feedback, just go to your profile and give us some feedback. We are always looking for your feedback. Thank you.